Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Who's that?
This is Ayaz speaking from Bihar. I am calling from English group, okay?
Okay. Yeah, I got that.
Are
Nice
you
to meet you.
the- uh, sufficient time to talk or are you busy right now?
Yeah, it's okay. You can continue because actually I just have left a message there before I think 15 minutes, right? It is okay. You can continue.
Okay, no problem. So yeah, this is Ayaz speaking from Bihar. If I talk about myself, so I have completed my BTech from mechanical stream,
Mm-hmm.
and last time I was in Saudi Arabia, but as soon as I came to India on my leave, at the same time lockdown started, so that's why I couldn't go there again. So right now I am at my home, and I think it's going yeah, it's been around more than 1 year since I have been living at my home. So yeah, because of this pandemic, I am looking for a job, but yeah, that's all about me. And introduce me a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, sure. My name is Richa Jain. I'm from India. I'm basically from India. I live in Delhi and I'm teacher. I'm teacher in NGO and in school as well. And a little short and interesting introductions that about my YouTube platform that I'm YouTuber. I am YouTuber.
Okay, that's great. So are you a teacher?
Yeah, of course, I'm teacher.
Okay. So yeah, are you means a government teacher or private teacher?
So I'm private teacher.
So yeah, yeah, I want to know some advice from your side.
Yeah, sure.
Means you know,
But before that, I want to know only two things about you. Can I know?
sorry.
I want to know two things about you. Can I know? Can I ask you questions?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Question is that you were telling to me that because of somehow you couldn't go Saudi Arabia. So you are basically Saudi Arabia or you are basically from India?
No, I am from India. Okay.
You are from India. So what is the purpose had you, like you had been Saudi Arabia and again you will have to go like you want to go again in Saudi Arabia country, right?
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I want to go there because if I talk about India, so in terms of earning money, India is not good in terms of earning money. So that's why my intention is that I have to go outside of this country. But I am not interested to go only Saudi Arabia. Yeah, wherever I want to get job, so I can go there.
Oh, that's cool. Nice to hear. So your intention is to earn the money more and more, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh,
This
that's
is the
so
this is the
sweet.
reason.
That's so sweet.
Yeah.
Okay. So what kind of work you were doing before lockdown in
Yeah,
Saudi Arabia?
yeah. In Saudi Arabia, I was working as a piping supervisor. Okay, but before going there, I was working in Jamnagar, Gujarat, as a piping engineer. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. But right now I am at my home and I am means practicing English only because
Okay.
I am not good at English. So that's why I want to improve my communication skill.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to know, yeah, could you suggest me how I how I am able to how can I able to improve my fluency as well as good English?
Okay. So what do you think that you can get this answer, accurate answers by me? What do you think about me?
Yeah, because you are speaking good and the way of speaking is amazing. So that's why I want to take some advice from your side. How did you get this type of fluency as well as means? Yeah, definitely you are good at English. So suggest me a little bit how I can improve my means fluency.
Okay, that's really cool. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Okay, how to get the fluency while speaking, right? So
Okay.
this is the mantra only and only. Try to focus more and more practice. Whenever you will get chance to speak, just try to focus on your words, try to focus on your speaking when you are speaking, and you are really very comfortable while they're speaking or not. if
Yeah.
you if
You
you
know,
are if you are not comfortable, it's mean you are feeling hesitate, somehow you are
yeah,
feeling so much hesitating. So just try to reduce your hesitations while speaking in English. Okay, firstly you have to be familiar with this language. You have to be, you just think this is not a second language. This is, you are trying enjoying this language. You are trying to speak this language. Don't be too much take pressurized while the speaking, while the learning process. Just think, I want to enjoy and I want to learn just because of I love this language. Okay, so, and about the fluency, of course, you can get when you will more and more and more practice, and just try to believe on yourself while the speaking time. No one is perfect. What do you think, that I am also perfect? I am also not perfect. I am also learner. I am also learner. I am also trying to speak, and I am also trying to improve myself. I am also trying to increase my level as well while the speaking time. So whenever you are speaking, don't judge yourself. Don't judge that you are actually good at English or not, and you are speaking really good, and you are really very confident, and you have a really very fascinating words or not. Don't think. If you have
yeah,
simple English and you don't know about the smart words as well, you don't know about the idioms as well, it is okay. It is okay. Just try to speak with confidence, and just enjoy this language, and just speak with smoothly mode means, just try to don't take stress while the speaking. Don't be too much think before the speaking. Oh my god, I have to talk now to speak in English. Right now it's my practice. That's why I have, like I have to speak in English just because of I'm learning. Don't be think that you are learning. You think that I want to enjoy this language. Okay.
okay, okay, thanks. Ma'am, actually, I have problem. Already I know most of the grammatical parts, as well as, I know most of the grammatical structure. But, when it comes to speak, so that time I fumble. And if I talk about any girls, so while talking to any girls, I feel shy. So how I can able to remove my this type of hesitancy, as well as, hesitation.
Okay, it's really interesting questions when you are speaking and you are a boy and you are speaking with female. So,
Yeah,
sometimes person also, little hesitate just because of
yeah,
opposite gender, right? So in
yeah,
this situation, what will you do? You will have no need to do that things. Just think that you are a human being and same that opposite gender, and you also can get a chance to speak and to practice here. Definitely you will think that why are you judging gender? Don't be discriminate gender. Just try to think that person is a host. That person is also human being like you. You are a boy, or that is girl. It is okay, but you both are you both are actually related to human beings, right? It's not
yeah.
mean that you are a boy, or you are talking. You are trying to talk with any animal, right? Right?
Okay, yeah, exactly. You are
Yeah.
saying right.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, the thing is that, I am from rural side. Okay, I am from a village. So, in my village, no one, hardly, 4 and 5 people are available. Those who can speak in English, and the people who knows to speak English, so they are not in my village. They are, few of them are another cities, and few of them are in outside of this country. So, the main problem I am facing, I don't have any partner. Yeah, but this group is very unique group through which I am able to discuss with different people. So, means how can I create means in English environment? Can you suggest me a little bit?
Okay, okay, that's cool. Like what's the problem? That especially with Indians. that we don't have environment to speak in English, right? And that's why
Yes.
we also trying to learn this language, and that's why we think too much hardly how to improve the English communications, how to create the environment. It is okay you if you don't have environment. Just think about you that please just mute the mic, please.
Yeah. So, and my another question is that you means how did you improve yourself? Can you suggest me a little bit?
Yeah. Of course, of course. You have groups, WhatsApp groups, right? And just whenever you will get time, and just try to ping here if anyone is interested to make conversation with me. So I'm free. I want to practice, so you can call me. This is a way of practicing. And yeah, of course. Now come to the point of reading, watching, listening, everything. You also can work it on this para. Okay.
Okay, okay. So means apart from speaking, what are you doing to improve your communication skill? Are
Okay.
you yeah? Means are you in the habit of reading newspaper on daily basis or not?
Yeah. That's really, yeah, of course. I'm really very habitual because I'm so much passionate to improve myself, especially in this language because Hindi is my native language. So I'm really very smart and I'm really very good at Hindi because this is my mother tongue. Okay. But English is not my mother tongue. But I want to be as native speaker in this language. Also, I'm really very passionate to continue all skills, reading, watching, listening, everything. I just do it. Whatever I can do, whenever I will get time, I just do it. I just do it, practice myself. Yeah.
Yeah, but in my point of view, as far as my knowledge is concerned, your English is looking like native speaker. So that's why I ask you like that. So because I am very passionate because I am not good at English. So yeah, when I was working in India, so in India there is no any environment in terms of speaking English. So that time I used to speak in Hindi, but when I moved towards abroad and after reaching over there, I realized my English is not good, so I should work on my communication skill. And unfortunately, I came to India. So yeah, you can say this lockdown has given me a golden opportunity to improve my English. But due to lack of sufficient partner, I am unable to do like that. But yeah, through this group, I am feeling little bit comfort. I am able to speak on daily basis. So yeah, really, you have advised me, ma'am, in a good way, and really, I have teach a lot of things from your side. Okay, so ma'am, yeah, I would like to know one thing from your side. Means how much time I should spend on my daily routine.
Okay. That's really cool. That's really great.
Yeah, in
Okay.
terms of speaking English.
Okay.
Yeah.
So timing, if we talk about the timing, there is no any
Yes.
time limitations. There is no any time limitations. Whenever you will get time to speak, to practice on this language, you can do that. Why are you making too much stuff? Like don't make too much stuff. If you have time, suppose 20 minutes you have, only 20 minutes, but your intention is not there. You are trying to speak very hardly, but your heart is not there, and that's why
Yes.
you are not able to listen carefully. So thing is that no matter how much time you are giving, it's really very important. If you have 5 minutes, it is okay, but 5 minutes you should be concerned and you should be focused on the practice. This is the mantra. This is the mantra. Focus on this any kind of skills. Or second thing is you also can learn so soon.
Okay. Thanks for giving
Suppose
me wonderful
suppose
advice.
I'm just giving you example. You are making practice 24 into 7. Okay, 24 into
Yes.
7 you are making practice, but you are not getting something. It's mean you are you are somehow you are lacking. And what is the
Yes.
reason? Because you are actually not going on the right process, or with your focus, with your full of dedication. Your dedication should be there.
Okay. Okay.
I just give you second example. This is maybe it gonna help you. You are taking lunch right now. Okay, you're taking
Yes.
lunch, but you're not getting profit by that lunch. Okay, in your
Yes.
plate in lunch, right in time. This time is lunch time. Okay, and you are having burger. Okay, burger, and that
Yes.
burger is in plate, and you are eating, so you can fulfill of your desire. Means after having burger, you cannot say that you are feeling so much starving. Starving means hungry. You cannot
Yes.
say after having burger, you cannot consider to yourself that I am feeling so much starving. Okay,
Yes.
but if I just talk about on another hand, if you will take really very healthy food and carbohydrate foods, and in your plate, suppose a chana is also here, and dal and rice and chapati and salads, fruits and sweet as well also there, and that if you just take it, and after that lunch, you also cannot say same things that I am feeling so much starving. But what do you think? What is a lunch really really required for you? Of course, when you will take a natural and healthy food, that food work in your health, and by that food you can be fit for, right? Same here. If you will consume this language as a productive way, as a carbohydrate and a protein with vitamin, definitely you can consume this language within same time. And in this language, if you want to consume this language, if you want to practice this language, and I can consider, while the learning English communications, what kind of productive you can take it. You can think your vitamin is watch watching skills. Your carbohydrates, uh, your carbohydrates, you also can consider that I'm listening. Okay, vitamin C. You're talking about the vitamin. You can think about the vitamin. You are taking vitamin by the speaking. So you can
Yes.
consider, when you will take all things by your food, vitamin, protein, carbohydrates, you can get fit for in your body. Same here, you also can get input in your mind when you will go on the full of focus on the listening part, on watching, on speaking, on listening. So definitely every skill is
Yes.
working. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. That's it. So, ma'am, yeah. By the way, for how long have you been practicing this particular language?
Actually,
Can you share
same.
a little?
Sure, why not? Actually,
Yes.
same here with me. I have having this language, or you can say I have practicing this language for 16 months. Okay. I have
Uh,
been started, yeah, I have been started 2nd Feb of 2020 this language. Okay. It's means 16
uh,
months had cleared now, and now you just
uh,
think, but within 16 months, I didn't think once in my life that I am learning. No, not at all. I'm just enjoying this language. Whatever I do, I just do. Right now I'm talking, so what are you thinking that I'm practice? Of course I'm practicing 24 into 7, but I'm just my style, to learn to consume this language a little different. I do not take this pressurized to myself, I am learning now. No, I'm enjoying this language. And that's why whenever I will get time, and I also sleep like as you all. So when I will sleep, and when I sleep at that time, I also try to watch all trips in English. I will try to watch movies in English. I will try to speak in English. I will try to read English Okay, so I will do all stuff in English.
Okay. So ma'am, through any movie and web series, can I improve my English?
Yeah, of course, of course. You know, if you think that nothing is useful, everything is useful. Everything, whatever you are doing, whatever you are doing, everything is useful. So yeah, of course, movies according to your taste. You also can go serious. You also can go, you know, what can I say? I just forgot. Cartoons,
Okay.
movies, songs. Songs really gonna help you if you want to get fluency. Fluency in the fluency. If you want to get fluency, go. English songs gonna help you. Just try to listen the songs and just try to pronounce with the same time. Okay, songs
Uh,
and by the movies you can improve your accent too. Okay.
yeah, yeah. So ma'am, right now you are in your schools or at your home?
Actually, I'm at my home.
Okay, so as you told me before, are you teaching in school? So that's why I asked you like that.
Oh yeah, it's okay. That's cool. But okay, I had to clear one thing that what actually when the pandemic had started, when I had
Okay.
left my job just because of I don't have at the time I didn't have laptop. So currently I'm teaching in NGO only and I'm running my YouTube channel.
Okay, okay. So what's your YouTube channel name by the way?
My YouTube channel name is Awesome Blossom English Learner. There's four words Awesome Blossom English Learner.
Okay, okay. Okay, ma'am. Thanks. You have given me your precious time,
Okay, that's
and yeah,
cool. Thank you.
really, after talking to you, I am feeling very energetic, and
Mm-hmm.
really, I have learned a lot of things from your side.
Thank.
Yeah, yeah. Right now, you are audible to me.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Actually, I'm just asking to you. I want to take permissions from your side because you asked me, very important questions, and I will really appreciate you. You're really amazing. Okay, so for that things, actually, I just choose your recording, and can I record this? Can I upload this recording on my YouTube channel?
Okay, no problem, no problem.